आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello student, in this question we are given one side of a rectangle lies along the line which is 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and two of its vertices are minus 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. Then we have to find the equation of the other three sides, right? Means we have a rectangle like this, we have a rectangle like this, and we also have a line which is 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0, and the line lies one of its sides like this. Okay, and this is according to question, and the equation of this line is 4x plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. So you can say the slope of this line will be minus 4 by 7, right? Because if you have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the slope of this line m will be minus a by b. You can remember this formula. Okay, now we know the adjacent side of any rectangle is perpendicular to each other, means this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. And if this is 90 degree, then slope of this line will be what? If the slope of this line is minus 4 by 7, then the slope of this line will be 7 by 4. Why? Because we know the slope, the product of slope of two perpendicular line will be minus 1. Okay, the slope of two perpendicular line m1 and m2 will be minus 1. So we can say the slope of this line will be 4 by 7. Since this line is parallel to this line, so you can say the slope of this line will also be same as this line, because this is parallel, and this is also parallel, this line and this line. So you can say the slope of this line will also be m is equal to minus 4 by 7, same as this line, right? Let's say this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D. We got the slope of all these lines, right? If we will able to decide the coordinate of these all 4 points, then we will able to write the equation of all these lines, right? Now try to decide. We are given 2 points, this and this. We have to decide which point is this. This is the vertices of this rectangle. We need to decide which vertices is this. Okay, let's decide minus 3 comma 1. If you will put this minus 3 comma 1 in this equation, then you will get 4 comma minus 3 plus 7 into y is 1 plus 5, which is equal to 0. Means minus 3 comma 1 is satisfying this equation. This means minus 3 comma 1 will definitely lies on this line AB. Okay, so this point can be either A or B. Let's suppose this point is A, which is minus 3 comma 1. You can take B also, no issue. Okay, now we need to decide this point 1 comma 1. If we will try to satisfy this 1 comma 1 in this equation, you will not get 0. 4 into 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 5, which is not equal to 0. Means this 1 comma 1 definitely does not exist in this line AB. So this point cannot be point A or B. This may be C or D. We need to decide which point is this. Okay, let's say this point 1 comma 1 is D. if the point 1 comma 1 will be D, let's suppose D 1 comma 1, then the slope of this line will be y2 minus y1, which 1 minus 1 will be 0. According to 2-point theorem, you can decide the point slope of this line AD, and according to that the slope of this AD will be 0, which is not possible because we already know the slope of this line will be 7 by 4. Okay, so this point, this 1 by 1 cannot be D, right? So 1 by 1 definitely will be this C point 1 comma 1. Now we decided these 2 points. Now we can write all these equation. Okay, equation AB is already there. We need to write AD. AD will be what? AD will be, equation of AD will be y minus y1 is 1, slope of this line 7 by 4, x minus x1, x minus x1 is minus 3, which will be plus 3. Okay, and BC will be y minus y1 is equal to 7 by 4 x minus x1, and DC will be y minus y1 is equal to minus 4 by 7 x minus x1, and we got the required 3 equation. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।